H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
This answer for this. I want to print the names of employees who has the first name as 4 characters. Who has their first name only 4 characters. I repeat, names starting with A, and has total of 4 characters. Okay, so I need to see only one result. Amar is one. So I need the query for that. So select star from employees. Okay, so yeah, Sujata, you're right. We'll see length and all in some time. Without length also we can do that using pattern matching. It is not a percentile. Yeah, it's not a percentile. Some of you are picking like Aruna. I think Aruna, you are right. So let's see whether Aruna is telling like we need to give. So let's try one by one, whatever you guys are telling. So select star from employee, where first name, like Aruna is telling like we need to give A and we need to give 3 underscores, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let me execute this. So that is not correct. So anyone else? Anyone else want to try? Chandra, Kavita, or anyone else want to try? So Kavita also is telling the same answer. A followed by 3 underscores. Yeah, I gave 3 underscores. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I gave 4 underscores. Sorry. So let me give only 3. Yeah, you're right. Perfectly right. So this is the syntax for so every underscore in SQL Server will represent a single character, but percentage will represent 1 or more characters. Okay, so when I put here a percentile, it will print all the names which are starting with A. But whereas when you are giving underscore, each underscore will represent 1 character. We'll check for 3 characters. After A, it will check for 3 characters matching. So that is the difference between underscore and percentile. Okay, so keep in mind a percentile is like 1 character, 1 or more characters, and underscore is like every underscore will take care of one character. Okay, so even if I give 2 underscores, I'll not see any results because it will check only for starting with A and followed by 2 characters. So I don't have any names like that, so it is not giving me any details. So I have to give exact matching number of underscores. So I have 2 here, I need to give 1 more. So Amar is having A followed by 3 characters. So if I execute this, I'll see Amar. That is the use of underscores. Okay, so now I'll give you one thing which you have to try yourself. So that is the use of underscores, and this one of you should tell me what is the use of this one. Can you tell me what is the use of this one? I'll even execute it, but one of you can explain me. I'm copying this, I'll execute it, but you have to tell me what. Now let me execute this. Can you tell me now? Easily you can tell now. Yeah, Sujata, you're right. Yeah.
Yeah, name's not starting with A.
Perfect. So when you do like this, when you don't want to print the name starting with A, you have to give cap symbol A in square brackets. For example, let me do select star from employee. I don't want to see the names whose names are starting with capital R. I mean whose names are starting with R. So in that case, I can give like this R. So if I execute this, I'll not see the names which are starting with R. See now, I'm not seeing the name starting with R. That is the use of this. So we saw underscore represent single characters. We saw percentile which represent one or more characters, and we saw cap symbol. The cap symbol, this is present near. This is present. This character is present where? In which button we have this button with this character? We have it. Yeah, this is cap symbol. So where is it present? It is present near shift 6. Okay. So when you give like this cap symbol or, it will not print the names which are starting with R. Okay, I think all of you this is clear. Like is clear, like percentile is clear, like underscore is also clear. But this you have to keep it in mind. When you don't want to print the name starting with R, you have to give cap symbol. Cap symbol R, that is like negation. So you don't want this, so you have to give like this. Okay, you will print all the names which are not starting with R. If you don't want to print the employees which are not ending with R, you can just put this side. So now if you execute this, you will not see the employees whose names are ending with R. See now, you're not seeing any names which are ending with R. Okay, so that is where we'll use this. Okay. So now we saw, I mean anyway, we rarely use this, but this we will use very frequently, like percentile we'll use very frequently. Okay. So now let's go back to this again. So now we are done with some of the queries. So we have date conversion functions. We'll see that in the next class, and before that we have group by. So let's discuss on group by. Okay. So I think we can group by having and subquery. Okay. So now let's use group by. So now the use of group by is, for example, I want to print average salary. For example, we already see the command for printing average salary. So how do you print average salary? We use like this: select AVG of salary from employee. Okay, so if I do this, I'll see average salary from this table, so which is 25,250. Now the question is, I want to see average salary department wise. So every department I want to compare which department is getting highest average salary, which department is getting lowest average salary. I want to see that department wise. In that case, what I can do is select. Here you need to write department, and here from employee, and here you need to write group by department. So remember, when you're using group by some column name, that column should be there here. When you're grouping it by a column, that column should be there in the select list. You cannot write here group by first name. Okay, because the column is not there here. So when you're doing group by, you have to ensure that column is there. So I want to do it. I want to find average salary group. I want to group it by department. So let me execute this. So when I execute this, I can see that admin is having 18,250 as average salary, IT is having this, management is having this, sales guys are having this. So highest salary management team is getting, lowest salary admin are getting. Okay, so this is the use of group by. So we are doing group by department. So what it will do is, it will take the records based on department and calculate average for that. So first it will take admin, whatever records it is having for admin department, it will do average and it will print here. For IT department, it will print here. For sales department, it will print average here. So that is the use of using group by. Now I have a question. So if I want to print the names of departments whose average salary is greater than 25,000. Okay, so I have a question here. So I want to print names of departments whose average salary is greater than 25,000. How to do that? Anyone knows this?
Can I try?
Yeah, go ahead.
Select department.
Okay.
Average salary.
Okay.
As average salary means within the screen.
Okay.
Average salary. Select different average salary. For employee group by